Vinyl Windows Metairie, Louisiana, offers homeowners a range of benefits, including improved energy efficiency and enhanced curb appeal. Our window installation company in Metairie specializes in providing top-notch vinyl window options that cater to the unique needs of each client. Whether you're looking for custom vinyl windows or insulated vinyl windows, our vinyl window experts in Metairie are here to help. Energy-efficient windows in Metairie are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Our Metairie window replacement services focus on providing high-quality, energy-efficient windows that meet the latest industry standards. With a variety of vinyl window styles available, homeowners can choose the perfect design to complement their home's architecture. Custom vinyl windows in Metairie offer a personalized touch to any home renovation project. Our vinyl window contractors in Metairie work closely with clients to design and install windows that match their specific preferences and requirements. From double-hung windows to unique vinyl window designs, we ensure every detail is tailored to your satisfaction. Vinyl window repair in Metairie is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our vinyl window specialists in Metairie provide comprehensive repair services to address any issues, from minor damages to major repairs. With our expertise, you can trust that your windows will be restored to their optimal condition. Affordable window solutions in Metairie are within reach with our competitive pricing and exceptional service. We offer a wide range of vinyl window options in Metairie to suit any budget, ensuring that every homeowner can enjoy the benefits of high-quality windows without breaking the bank. Our vinyl window suppliers in Metairie provide durable and stylish products that stand the test of time. Vinyl Windows Metairie is crucial for preserving the appearance and functionality of your windows. Our home window services in Metairie include regular maintenance checks and cleaning to keep your windows looking and performing their best. With our window sealing services in Metairie, you can prevent drafts and leaks, ensuring your home remains comfortable year-round. Window frame installation in Metairie is a key component of our comprehensive window renovation services. Our vinyl window contractors in Metairie are skilled in installing a variety of window frames, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration with your home's existing structure. Whether you're upgrading to vinyl window frames or need a complete window overhaul, our team is ready to assist. Vinyl window upgrades in Metairie provide an excellent opportunity to enhance your home's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Our window installation company in Metairie offers a range of vinyl window features, including advanced insulation and noise reduction capabilities. With our vinyl window upgrades, you can enjoy a more comfortable and stylish living environment. Insulated vinyl windows in Metairie are an excellent choice for homeowners seeking to improve their home's energy efficiency. Our vinyl window experts in Metairie offer a variety of insulated window options that help reduce heat transfer and lower energy bills. With our insulated vinyl windows, you can enjoy a more comfortable home while reducing your environmental impact. Vinyl Windows Metairie are diverse, offering homeowners a wide selection of designs to choose from. Our vinyl window specialists in Metairie can help you select the perfect style to match your home's architecture and personal taste. From traditional to contemporary designs, our vinyl window styles in Metairie cater to every preference. Window glass replacement in Metairie is a vital service for maintaining the clarity and performance of your windows. Our vinyl window contractors in Metairie provide expert glass replacement services, ensuring your windows remain clear and functional. Whether you need a single pane replaced or a complete window overhaul, our team is equipped to handle the job. Vinyl window contractors in Metairie are dedicated to providing exceptional service and quality products. Our team of experienced professionals is committed to delivering the best vinyl window solutions for your home. With our expertise and attention to detail, you can trust that your window installation or repair project will be completed to the highest standards. Home window services in Metairie encompass a wide range of offerings, from installation to maintenance and repair. Our vinyl window experts in Metairie are equipped to handle any window-related need, ensuring your home remains comfortable and energy efficient. With our comprehensive home window services, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your windows are in good hands. Vinyl window experts in Metairie are here to guide you through every step of your window project. From selecting the right vinyl window brands to ensuring proper installation, our team is dedicated to providing the best possible service. With our expertise, you can achieve the perfect balance of style, functionality, and energy efficiency for your home. Window sealing services in Metairie are essential for preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Our vinyl window specialists in Metairie provide expert sealing services to ensure your windows are airtight and secure. With our window sealing services, you can enjoy a more comfortable home environment and lower energy bills.